When the final second falls, hear the future as it calls. Every chime a gentle push, silence breaking in a rush. Hold my hand and don't let go. Watch the silver city glow. Past mistakes dissolve like snow, giving room for us to grow. Midnight rides in glowing lines, new beginnings, new designs. Hope is louder than regret. Best days haven't happened yet. In this sacred moment's calm, feel tomorrow in your palm. Let the old year fade from view. 12 o'clock begins anew.
The first sunrise, after fireworks fade away, quiet colors greet the day. Golden light on silent streets, newborn hope and heartbeats. Coffee warms the sleepy air, peace is resting everywhere. No more countdown, no more noise, simple dreams and simple joys. Yesterday has said goodbye, morning paints a clearer sky. Take a breath and step outside, let your courage be your guide. Every ending makes a way for a brighter kind of day. In the glow of soft surprise, we begin with first sunrise.
Spark in the dark, in the cold December night. Tiny flames begin to light. Every spark a story told. Brave and fearless, bright and bold. Shadows cannot stay for long. Hope is stronger than the wrong. Even ashes turn to flame, nothing ever stays the same. Raise your voice and sing it clear. We survived another year. Through the storm and through the rain, we have danced beyond the pain. From the dark we leave our mark, shining like a spark. As the future leaves its mark, we ignite the dark. Resolutions. I will run a little faster, be my own heart's true master. Say the words I couldn't say, chase the doubts and fear away. Every promise that I make is a step I choose to take. Grow in kindness, grow in light, turn my wrongs into my right. Even if I fall again, I will rise beyond the pain. Change begins in small ways, brighter thoughts and better days. Not perfection, just progress, moving forward, nothing less. This year I will choose evolution, living out my resolution. New Year's wish, close your eyes and make a wish. On a sky of silver mist, every hope you keep inside, let it now become your guide. Through the laughter and the tears, through the shifting of the years, hold on to what makes you true. Let the light return to you. Even when the night is long, you are stronger than your wrong. Midnight brings a sacred spark, shining
Wow.
softly in the dark. Trust the magic that you feel. Somehow dreams become so real when your heart begins to swish. That's the power of a New Year's wish.
Midnight fireworks, city lights are glowing bright, counting down the final night. Hands together, hearts in sync, standing on the hopeful brink. 10 to 1 we shout it loud, dreams rising through the crowd. When the clock
flame. Nothing ever stays the same. Resolutions in the air, promises we all will share. Let the old year drift away. We begin again today. Fireworks, dun, 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 today. Fireworks, dun, 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 today.
Wow. Hello, tomorrow. Yesterday is fading fast. Future shadow finally cast. Open doors and open minds. Leave the heavy past behind. Sunlight spills across the floor like we've never seen before. Breathing in the winter air, freedom floating everywhere. Take the risk and take the chance. Life is more than circumstance. Step by step we start to grow. Plant the seeds we want to sow. With a heart that's strong and warm, we can weather any storm. Wave goodbye to sorrow. Say hello tomorrow.
Countdown to forever. Countdown to forever. 10 more seconds, hold me tight. We'll step forward into light. Whispers of the coming year fill our souls with joy, not fear. Laughing as the old bells ring, hear the midnight angels sing. Every ending burns the start. Time rewrites the human heart. Confetti falling from the sky, promises we dare to try. Through the cold of winter air, love and courage everywhere. Side by side we'll chase our dreams.